Welcome everybody. Today we will learn science of class 7th. Chapter 8 Winds, Storms and Cyclones. Activity 8.1 Air exerts pressure. In this video we will be learning how can we show that the air pressure gets reduced when air blows. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Add instructions or guideline here. Whenever activity involves heating, be very careful. It is advised that such activities are performed in the presence of an elderly person from your family or carry out these activities in the presence of your teacher. Aim. The aim of this activity is to learn that the air pressure gets reduced when air blows. Materials required. We need a tin can. You can take any of the tin can. Your wish. Step 1. Take a tin can with a lid. Fill it approximately half with water. Heat the can on a candle flame till the water boils for a few minutes. Blow out the candle immediately. Put the lid tightly on the can. Be very careful while handling the can. Step 2. Put the can under a running tap or in a shallow metallic vessel. Pour fresh water over the can. What we have observed? We have observed that the shape of the can gets distorted. Why this happened? As water is poured over the bottle, some steam in the can condenses into water, reducing the amount of air inside. So this activity shows that the air pressure gets reduced when air is blown. Friends, I do not usually post this video, but this was my school project. If my video was helpful to you, so like my video, share it with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get all my updates. Thank you.